अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बना रहे हैं खट्टी मीठी चटनी। दिस एंड हरी चटनी के बगैर तो चाट्स का मज़ा ही नहीं आता। तो चलो बनाते हैं। दिस इज़ अगेन पार्ट ऑफ द मेक एंड फ्रीज सीरीज़। मैंने 250 ग्राम्स ऑफ टैमरिंड लिया हुआ है। आई हैव सोक्ड इट इन अ लीटर ऑफ हॉट वाटर। 4 cups of jaggery broken into small pieces. Oil 2.5 teaspoons. Zeera 1 1/4 teaspoon. Hing 1 teaspoon. 2.5 teaspoon salt. 2.5 teaspoon Zeera powder. 1 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder. A pinch of Garam masala powder and 3/4 teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Also add half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Remove the seeds and grind the tamarind to a fine paste in a mixie jar and strain. There's a little bit of effort in this, but once you do it, you'll get pure pulp and leave the fiber behind. The sieving is almost done. Now I'm going to be adding a little water to the mixie jar and using that water to strain out more pulp. पानी थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐड करिए और स्पून से अच्छे से मसल लीजिए so that you get maximum pulp. अब जो बच गया हाथ से अच्छे से निचोड़ लीजिए. Heat a कढ़ाई. Add the oil, add whole Zeera, now add Hing, mix well for a second or two and add the tamarind pulp. Mix well and add 4 cups of jaggery. Gently mix till the jaggery melts in the tamarind pulp. Now add the remaining powders, 2.5 teaspoon salt, 2.5 teaspoon Zeera powder, 1 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, dry ginger powder 3/4 spoon and pepper powder half teaspoon. Mix well and add a cup of water. Mix well and cook till it reduces to half. Keep stirring in between. Don't let it get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Khatti Meethi Chutney is now ready. Check for spices, salt and sweet, and that's it. You can store in airtight containers and freeze. Do try it out. Ingredients as always in the description box. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.